In this video, we'll be looking at how you can manage all the software your clients need to run their operations. With this feature, you can create curated software bundles, remotely install, uninstall, or delete them on your client's assets, automatically. Let's dive in. In a nutshell, this is what you can do with third-party software management. Create a new software bundle, add it to an asset policy, set a recurring schedule, and track the software status for each asset. Let's start by creating a new software bundle. Click the settings icon on the panel to the left, and select Software Bundle under Asset Management. You can see all the software bundles you've created on this page. Click the Create button on the top right to create a new software bundle. Give the new software bundle a name, and click the Software button on the top right to start adding software. Type to search the software you want to add to this bundle. Once you're done, click the Add button to add the selected software to the bundle, and click Save to create the new software bundle. Now, it's time to add the new software bundle to an asset policy. Click the Settings icon, and select Policy Management. On the Policy Management page, select an asset policy, and click the Software Management section. Here, you can see all the software bundles applied to this asset, and the software installation and update schedule. Click the Add Software bundle. Select the bundle you'd like to add to this policy and click Add. Once the software is installed, you can keep it up to date by routinely installing update patches based on the schedule, whenever a new patch is available. You can uninstall any software installed on the assets as well. You can also delete bundles and software to stop managing them and leave them in the assets. Next, set the cadence to manage the software installation and updates. Once you're done, click Save to finalize the changes made. SuperOps.ai will then execute the changes based on the cadence you've set. You can track the status of the installation for each asset in the Asset Details page. Click the Apps tab, and select Manage Software. Here, you can see a list of software on the asset and their installation status. You can sort by status to find out the software that needs to be reinstalled and manage them accordingly. If you have questions or need assistance, send us a message at support@superops.ai and we'll help you out. Thank you for watching.